Here is a Mainstays Harbor Breeze Armitage copy, which I got for Christmas. It's dated May 2018, and it costed $23.87. So this is the cheapest ceiling fan. Anyways, I will demonstrate it for you. Starting with the light. Came with a 60-watt equivalent LED bulb, which is definitely included bulbs. By the way, here's the manufacturing tag. Oh, heck, yeah. Here's low. I did reverse this for the winter, you know. Here it is on downdraft. I'll be showing it this way. The globe vibrates on it, on this speed and medium. Doesn't seem to vibrate a lot, and it blows a lot of air on high. So here's medium. Was a good amount of air on medium. This is cheap, but it's a good ceiling fan. I like it. Even the blade brackets are light. Worried about them breaking if it were running on high. Alright, here's high. Blows an insane amount of air on high. I mean, yeah, I guess you could say something like that for a cheap ceiling fan. And I'll reverse it. I'll shut it off by the switch. There you have it. That's my Walmart Hugger ceiling fan that I got for Christmas. So, yeah. Oh, and it was made by Power Max, which made the Hampton Bay Mini Wet 2s. So yeah, there you have it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. And there's lots more to come.